to a train ride. Yay. Okay, we are on a train. Okay, so exciting. I know my husband is in car.
The Southern Pacific Company. It was along these tracks in front of K Streets that the western portion of the Transcontinental Railroad was started. In 1984, the California State Railroad Museum re-established Sacramento Southern to provide an excursion service to our visitors. We are pleased to have you aboard today and look forward to making this an enjoyable experience. The people who help you board the train are your car attendants or stewards, and there is at least one in every car. Their purpose is to look out for your safety and to answer your questions. In the unlikely event of an emergency, please follow their instructions. Your car attendant or steward will now introduce themselves and point out safety requirements specific to the car you are riding.
You all know where you're at, right? You think so? You're not sure. My name's Michael. I'm your car attendant. My job: answer questions and keep you from hopping out of the rail.
Hold on to the rail. Hold on.